We're here tonight because my goofball son decided to drag Scott, his greatest friend in the world, into the woods to see a dead body.
Class, this is our new student, Allison Argent. Just do your best to make her feel welcome.
Allison, I love you. If you need to do that thing where we talk about me and pretend like we're not actually talking about you, it's totally fine.
Each of us will hold you down until you're essentially, well, dead. But it's not just someone to hold you under. It needs to be someone who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you, a kind of emotional tether.
Oh, my first love. The first person I've ever loved.
Avenue Code. Nous protégeons ceux qui ne peuvent pas se protéger eux-mêmes.
We protect those who cannot protect themselves.
Strong connection to you, a kind of emotional tether. Lydia, you go with Styles.
Look at me. Look at me.
The best thing that's happened to this town since the birth of Lydia Martin. Hey, Lydia. You look like you're gonna ignore me.
Dude, that was Derek Hale. You remember, right? He's only like a few years older than us.
Remember what?
His family, they all burned to death in a fire like 10 years ago.
What are you smiling about? You're gonna be good at this. You're okay, Liam. You're okay.
Branches were sown by the color of green. Ground had a rose.
It'll happen again. And it'll be just as amazing and as extraordinary as the first time.
What are you doing?
Being the bait.
Climb the tree to see the world.
Peter. This is Malia.
When the gods came around to blow me down.
Beautiful eyes. Did you get them from your phone?
Mother, the only way we were able to go to the hunt is with an emotional connection.
Held on as tight as you
Please wake up.
Dad.
Theo Reagan. I feel you. That to resurrect the perfect killer, we had to start with the perfect evil. From you, we learned true evil only comes by corrupting something truly good.
2 or 3 weeks ago, I'm sure by now you all know my daughter, Kira.
Tibetan word for it. It's called Bardo. It literally means in between state. The state between life and death. And what do they call you?
Kira. Just
our history class. Can you at least try to be helpful, please?
For half my childhood, I was locked in a freezer, so being helpful is kind of a new thing for me.
Okay, are you still milking that?
Absolutely spotless.
Well, that was your fault.
Who are they? My friends. My pack. And you can be with us if you want. But you're gonna have to fight.